Hi, in this video I will show you how to enable dark mode in the Google Chrome. So the process is pretty simple. So if you want to apply the dark mode on your mobile Chrome, simply you have to follow this procedure. So first of all you have to open your Chrome and you have to click on new tab, and then you have to search for the Chrome. You have to write same like this, flags. Once you will search for it, now you have to click on the search bar and you have to write dark here, and you will see two options appear here. Right now it's default. Tap on it and click on enable both of these. Once you will do it, after that you have to click on the relaunch. Okay, now you have to click on the three lines on the right top and go to the settings from here and scroll up, and you have to click on the themes here and select the dark here. So it's converted to the dark mode. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.